Some breaking news now. Gap is out with earnings. Our Jared Blikre has the numbers. Jared.
Yes, a little bit better than feared. The second quarter results are in, and Gap on an adjusted EPS basis, they turned in results of 8 cents per share. Estimated loss per share it was 6.8 cents, so that is a beat right there. Now, the loss per share was 13 cents on a Gap basis. That is generally accepted accounting principles, not the name of the company. Net sales coming in a tad ahead of expectations, 3.86 billion. The estimate was for lower, 3.83 billion. Gross margin also a miss, 34.5%. The estimate was for 150 basis points higher at 36%. Operating margin came in at negative 0.7%. That was a disappointment. The estimate was for 2.79%. Then taking a look at the total comparable sales, that was also a disappointment for the second quarter, down 10%. The estimate was for down 7.42%. And when you get into the Old Navy vertical here, a little bit worse than feared as well. That is down 15% for the quarter. The estimate was for 13.7%. We've seen some inventory problems plaguing a lot of retailers, not seeing that specifically addressed in the numbers here, but I do have some commentary. They did withdraw their full year 2022 outlook, and they're citing company changes amid their CEO transition and changing consumer preferences here. And their goal is to complete the offset dilution in the fiscal year 2022. They don't see any further share buybacks for the rest of the year, so don't count on that, investors. However, they remain cautiously optimistic for the second half of the year. And given the actions that the company has underway in the midst of the CEO transition, combined with the uncertain macro environment, again, they are withdrawing a lot of their guidance. Also saying in the near term, they're taking actions to sequentially reduce inventory. We talked about that a minute ago, rebalance assortments to better meet changing consumer preference. And they are seeing improvements in sales trends in July and into August, and that is consistent with many other retailers. So flying a little bit in after hours trading, we'll have to see what comes on the earnings call and tomorrow, guys.
All right, great stuff. Jared Blikre there reporting for us.